Cheers everyone!
Good evening.
Yet again, LH Crypto 2 weekly analytics is on your screen. So what's on for today from Andrew and Jay? A week of freaked out crypto investors. I know you've heard a lot from us about free crypto investors. Perhaps you are the one, but this was definitely a week of overly freaked crypto investors. Then a good stocks advice of the week from Jay, and after all, last not least, the overseer of the last OPEC meeting. And yeah, what happened around the crazy squid coin generated from a crazy squid TV series, and of course economic calendar. So
yep, let's get it.
The symbol of this madness, of the crypto madness, which again happened on crypto market, was Shiba Inu. That token named after the lovely breed of dogs, which I suppose is especially loved by famous dog lover. Yeah, Elon Musk, right? Yep. Who, well, tried and had just numerous attempts to pump that coin, well, last year, but his attempts to pump Bitcoin and Dogecoin were far more successful than this one. But finally, Shiba Inu waited enough and now took the floor. So the cryptocurrency, which was first generated just like, well, yeah, it was really cool, demonstrated the pace of growth, which is definitely not a joke, but really a serious one. So weekly growth was 70%, and if to measure it in a month is 850%. And well, consider this: the coin grew by the whole 4,500,000% in just half a year, and topped its price the past Thursday. But just to understand the scale of what is happening, at the peak Shiba Inu cost 800,000. You know, so before it started to grow, it was just a really tiny particle of digital information lost somewhere on computers. But then it became the source of wealth, and there is a positive sign around all this story, which defines Shiba Inu from all other, well, shitty coins, yeah, which just jump and then drop to nothing. The continuous attention of public, especially warmed up by Mr. Elon Musk. So if you just wait until the first bottom of the price, you might just purchase it for, well, on some inconsiderable sum, and perhaps it might be a good midterm and short-term investment. And by the way, mind that Shiba Inu might soon appear on LH Crypto platform, where you will be able to trade it with a leverage up to 1 to 100, and yeah, multiply your profits, if any, even more. But well, we believe the coin is a good investment for the future, not like the Wikings coin, another just joke. It is becoming already irritating. Elon seems to pumping everything. Just after his Twitter publication of a picture where Vikings turned to be on the moon before even Americans, everything which had Viking in its name among all 13,000 plus cryptocurrencies. Can you imagine the whole 13,000 cryptocurrencies exist on the planet? Unimaginable.
Amazing.
Yeah, and tens of them tend to have Viking in their name, and so they all suddenly started to pump by hundreds and hundreds of percents. But the growth was actually blown rather soon. Rather soon. And well, Jay is going to tell the brightest weekly example of how the investments may be blown in a second.
Token based on the popular Netflix series Squid Game collapsed from almost $2,856 to almost zero in a matter of minutes. Based on the contract address, Squid tokens were purchased by more than 41,000 users. And as a reminder, even at the time of the asset's price rise, users reported that they could not sell Squid tokens on the PancakeSwap platform. But as we all might heard, this Squid Game token, was fake. Yeah, as
Well, let's say there is an assumption, unjustified,
Yeah.
still, that yes, this was just a fake, which corruptionized on the popularity of the TV series. That Coinbase is going to launch, perhaps for the purpose of just PR promo, to kick off the investigation, whether it is so or not, because the whole meaning of the coin was not in just buying and selling the coin. It was a part of the online game series based on the plot of the TV series, and to participate in every consecutive game you just have to purchase coins, more and more coins, which is not really as they usually do in the crypto world. So just we'll follow the we'll follow the development of the story, surely, and we'll tell you what happens in our next episodes, if anything happens at all. So back to the real world. Well, you might have already tired several times of following the oil news, which we usually cover in our episodes, but this is definitely something which differs and unlike all other news before. So, as you might know, past Thursday saw the next meeting of OPEC Ministerial Council, on which they were supposed to review the growth of the daily oil production, which is currently 400,000 every month. Agreed in the 2020 crisis to rise oil prices. What is exciting is that Joe Biden was especially positive about the meeting, hoping that his calls to the committee to rise the monthly production even more would reach the target, especially since Saudi Arabia and United States are long-time friends and really close allies. But that didn't happen for some reason. The committee decided just to follow the scheduled plan, and this might really be the sign of some crack in the union between the United States and Saudi Arabia. Perhaps Russia took some leverages to persuade the committee, but still Joe Biden still has his own leverage too, just like selling the oil from the United States National Reserve. So we'll see the development, and of course we'll keep you posted.
Coca-Cola reported strong financial results for the third quarter of 2021. Despite existing problems such as supply chain difficulties, the company posted earnings per share of $0.65 versus analysts' expectations of $0.57. And revenue reached almost $10 billion, which is $260 more of analysts' expectations. So yeah, and the company also raised its outlook for the full year. Revenue growth should be from 15 till 17%, and compared to earlier expectations of analysis, they told that it should be of 13 till 15%.
Wednesday, November the 10th, we'll see US crude oil inventories, initial jobless claims, and core CPI. The next day is a day of UK commodity GP and manufacturing production in September, while on Friday, the 12th, not 13th, job openings in US from Bureau of Labor Statistics. This is it. Just like usually, we wish you health, stay well and safe, and may the profit be with you.
Yep, have a good weekend.
Bye.